Hello there, you guys, and welcome to Ninja Chef, where we make delicious, healthy, inexpensive dishes for you and your family. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make pizza the easy way that you eat and enjoy. Before we begin how to make pizza at home in oven, like this video by clicking on the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell notification icon so you won't miss out on any new recipes. Comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. So come and join us in how to make pizza at home in oven that is delicious and healthy and that won't break your bank. Let me get some exercise in here and ready and sit-ups. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Push-ups. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Alright, you guys, we are so ready. We're so pumped up. Let's get cooking. Ninja Chef style. Go, Ninja Chefs. Let's first get started with the flour to prepare the dough. So just to let you know off the start, there's no yeast needed, so there's no kneading. So we already made it easy for you. So you're going to need simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen, so we're saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen, no problem. So we use self-rising flour. It's the Ninja Chef style. Don't worry about jotting anything down right now. Everything that you need is listed down below on the description. Just click on show more. You can do that later when you have time. That's right, you have time later because we make simple, fast, delicious, nutritious dishes. It will be quick. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to place the pot in the sink. This is the Ninja Chef style. We use a pot. Because as you're mixing, you may create a mess on your counter. Remember, less cleanup means less time in the kitchen, which means more time for you. So you want to mix the ingredients. Remember, there's no kneading, only mixing is required. Create a small opening to add small amount of water to hydrate the flour. Continue adding water little by little until you find the consistency required to create a ball with the dough. From time to time, add a little bit of small amount of flour. The dough will be sticky. So when you have created a pretty top, then the dough is done. Take a little bit of flour and sprinkle on the dough. You can use the dough right away to start cooking your Ninja Chef pizza. Remember, no need to wait for the dough to rise. There is no yeast. You can leave the dough in the pot. Cover the pot with the lid. No need to use a plastic wrap, or you can use it when needed, or you can even refrigerate it. Time for a quick cleanup. Since we did everything in the sink, there's no mess on the counter, so the cleanup will be quick. Now we're gonna work on the cheese. Let's talk about the cheese. The best type of cheese to use for the pizza is mozzarella cheese. It melts beautifully. If you like, you can purchase shredded cheese. But here at Ninja Chef, we like to shred the mozzarella cheese. Well, the reason is that pre-shredded cheese contains a product that is added to the cheese to help it from clumping together in the bag. And this product doesn't allow the cheese to melt as easily. So shredding the block cheese allows the cheese to melt easily, and it has a better flavor. Also, in terms of cost, block cheese costs less than pre-shredded cheese. Time, well, basically, if you buy a block cheese and you want to shred it, it only takes about a minute to do it. So you want to put a little bit of elbow grease into it. And as far as taste is concerned, TLC, tender loving care, it will taste better. So what we want to do is we want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. While the oven is preheating, let's go back to our dough. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on both sides. Shape the dough into a ball. Then press the dough with your fingers, creating a circular shape. Or you can use a rolling pin. Fold the flat dough in half and transfer it to the pre-sprayed pizza tray. Now you guys, have you noticed that there are no ingredients on the pizza dough? Well, that's okay. Here in Ninja Chef, we cook the dough first, 10 minutes on one side, then flip the dough to the other side and let it cook for only 10 more minutes. This way the dough will be crispy. It will have a crunch to it. Now you guys, while the dough is cooking, we are ready for the sauce. Here in Ninja Chef Kitchen, we buy our 14-ounce pizza sauce. Okay, so we're making it super easy for you. Just buy your favorite pizza sauce and that's it. No need to cook pizza sauce. Just open up the jar. It'll only take 1 second. And we still have some left over for next time. Next time you want to make a Ninja Chef pizza, the sauce is already made for you. So we're saving you so much time. Comment down below. Let us know if you buy the pizza sauce or if you make the pizza sauce from scratch. Let's check on the dough. The dough is ready. See how crispy it is? Okay, now we're gonna add the ingredients. The pizza sauce, the cheese. Now our choice of topping is pepperoni, but feel free to add any topping of your choice. Place the pizza back in the oven in the top rack. Turn on the broiler and allow to cook for 2 minutes. Make sure the pizza is happy in the oven. Don't walk away from the oven. Keep an eye on it. Remember, it's on broiler, so it's gonna cook from the top. Just for only 2 minutes. Okay, the pizza is done. Awesome! You guys, give us a like. Comment down below what you think. Would you try cooking pizza the ninja style and become a ninja chef? Comment yes or maybe. Let's grab a plate and serve. Easy. Eat. Enjoy. Wait. Let me grab your soda and a napkin. You're so crazy. Hey you guys, I hope you like our last segment. This is another way you can make pizza. Here at Ninja Chef, we also make pizza fast and furious without making the dough. All you need is simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen, so we're saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen, it's no problem. The ingredients that you need are really basic. You will need 2 pita bread, a half a stick bread, 2 flat breads, or any hearty bread that you have. The pizza sauce you can either buy from the store or you can make it homemade, whichever you desire. Here at Ninja Chef, we buy our favorite pizza sauce from the store. It's a 14-ounce pizza sauce. The cheese, you can buy a block cheese and shred it, or you can buy a pre-shredded cheese from the market. The toppings, well, here at Ninja Chef, we like pepperoni, but feel free to use your favorite pizza topping. So preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust your oven accordingly. On an oven tray, place a wax paper, the 2 pita breads, the half a stick bread, and 2 flat breads. You can also purchase already made pizza crust, large or small. On the 2 pita breads, half stick bread, and 2 flat bread, add pizza sauce, cheese, and pizza topping. We choose pepperoni. Place the oven tray with the breads into the oven. The pita bread takes about 10 minutes to cook, while the stick bread takes less, about 5 minutes. So don't step away from the oven. Keep checking them. Don't worry, it goes by really fast. After the pizza have cooked, about 5 minutes to 10 minutes, go ahead and turn on the broiler just for 2 minutes so the toppings will cook thoroughly. Okay, here, voila, it is done. Pizza without preparing the dough, Ninja Chef style. Give us a like, comment down below, let us know if you find this very easy. Did you eat? And if you enjoy. Comment by writing easy, eat, enjoy. Go Ninja Chefs!